Hey, what's up? How you doing? And this video was made in 1080, 4K, 4K HQ and 8K on the Canon EOS R5. Did you see the difference? Did you see the difference between the resolutions in this video? I mean, you can say now, yeah, I can see it a little bit if I'm doing pixel peep. But to be honest, when I watched this video first on my 5K Retina display on the iMac, sometimes even I don't know, was it 1080, was it 4K, HQ, 8K? And this is something, and I hope it helps you as it helps me, because I had all these years this monkey on my shoulder. Do I have to film in 4K? Do I need to film in higher resolution, even in 8K? And I tell you something, it needs a lot of time also. This small sequence which I filmed in 8K, it's a huge file which needs a lot of time, even on a powerful MacBook Pro or on the iMac. But what do you think? Show it to some friends and ask them, do they see the difference between 1080 and 4K and 8K? I will go through now with you again through this clip and will explain or tell you what is 1080, what is 4K and what is 8K. So the beginning of this clip I made in 8K. This selection was in 1080. This is slow motion in 4K, 1080, 4K, 8K, 1080, 1080. This is a beautiful shot, just in 1080. Also this is 1080. This and this is 8K, 4K HQ, and finally 1080. So could you really see the difference? Come on. I mean, of course, if you watch this at home on a 5K display, maybe when you do some pixel peep, then you can see a small difference. But mostly, I guess, more than 50% watching YouTube content on a smartphone or even on a tablet. And I think it's really hard and difficult to see the difference. Doesn't mean that 1080 is the best, of course not. 4K is better than 1080 and 8K is also better than 4K. But with 8K, come on, I mean, you know, R5 is overheating. I was thinking to purchase the Atomos Ninja 5 Plus so that I can record in 8K ProRes RAW. Maybe I will do it, but to be honest, I film mostly, even this video, in 1080 because it's so much files when I'm filming in 4K HQ, and the workflow on my computer is much more faster. So do you see the difference? Ask your friends, maybe you show your friends they believe in 8K or in 4K is the best. Yeah, it's better, but do you really see the difference, especially when you're making content on YouTube? That's today from my side. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Peace.